Hey guys, it's been a few months since we've cleaned our shower heads. I don't know, there's a lot of minerals and yeah, we've got borehole water, so it's got a lot of minerals in it and it sticks to the pipes and stuff. So we're cleaning it off with vinegar, and you can see the bubbling even. And that's just normal white vinegar. So yeah, we'll see how they look after soaking in this vinegar for a while. I will keep you up to date. Okay guys, it's about 2 hours later now. There's no more serious bubbling or anything, but it does look a lot better. We'll just brush it a bit afterwards. But I must say, this really stirs the craving for fish and chips. This the smell that comes off here is extremely nice. If you like your vinegar on your fish and chips. Okay guys, this is after several hours. I haven't brushed it. We've stirred the vinegar a bit, just to make sure everything makes contact with the whole pipe and so. But let me just show you. This is the result. You can see there's still a bit of, like, it's just a bit dirty, but it just wipes off. So it works extremely well. The whole this looks brand new. Can't believe it. So yeah, vinegar successful. And these things, they were also badly mineralized. Yeah, so this was a big success. Thanks for watching. This was just a quick video to show you guys that it actually works. You can see all the stuff that came off the pipes. Amazing.